I bet you didn't know that changing a list and changing a string in Python are worlds apart. Let's dive into why. In Python, some data types can be changed, while others can't. Think of mutable data types like a whiteboard. You can add, erase, and change what's on it. Lists and dictionaries are your whiteboards. On the flip side, immutable data types are like carved stone tablets. Once you write on them, there's no going back. Strings, tuples, and integers fall into this category. Why does this matter? Well, it impacts how efficiently your code runs. Imagine passing around a giant whiteboard versus a small stone tablet. One is definitely heavier. Mutable types give you flexibility. Need to update a list of names? Easy peasy. But with immutable types, you get reliability. No accidental changes. So, next time you're coding, remember? Whiteboard or stone tablet? The choice is yours. Happy coding.